AI video generators are coming out day by day in the market, but the problem is, all of them are paid. But after my deep search, I found 3 best AI video generators that are 100% free and don't add any watermark to the videos. You can use them anytime without paying a single penny. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Henry Scott, and this is my very first video on this channel. Here, I will share the best free and powerful AI tools along with simple tutorials so you can create amazing videos without spending any money. Before we move forward, check out these amazing videos that I made using these free AI video generators. Look at how awesome these videos turned out. And the best part is, you can make videos just like this completely for free using these tools. Alright, so the first tool is Grok AI. Just go to Google and search for Grok AI and then click on the very first link that comes up. And once you open it, you will land on the home page of the tool. Now, you just need to sign up using your Google account or email. It only takes a few seconds. After the sign up is complete, you will be taken straight to the main dashboard where we will begin our video creation process. First, let us do a few basic settings. Simply click on the settings button and from there, select the behavior option. Now disable the automatic video generation feature. This will allow you to create your video exactly the way you want. Now click on the Imagine option. From here, you can create both images and videos. If you want to create images, you can easily make high quality and stunning photos right here. But since we are generating a video, we will select the video option. After that, choose your aspect ratio according to the style you want. Once done, simply paste your prompt into the box and press Generate. After a few moments, our video will be ready. And here we go, just take a look at the result. Wow. The visuals are smooth and stunning, and everything looks so beautiful. The characters are amazing, and the animations and motion are perfect. The best part is that the voice is already added in the background, and everything matches perfectly. So guys, with the help of this tool, you can create stunning videos exactly the way you want. You can even make longer videos using this tool. Go ahead and try it yourself. Now, let's move on to the second tool. The second tool is VheerAI, which is completely free. With this tool, you can create anything you want. To start, simply go to Google and search for VheerAI. Then click on the very first link that appears. You will land on the homepage of the tool. From here, sign up using your Google account or your email. Once your sign up is complete, you will reach the main dashboard of the tool. From this page, you can start your creative journey. You can generate both images and videos. Let's create a video from an image. Simply click on the image to video option and then select Generate Image to Video. Now upload your image. After that, enter your text in the prompt box describing what you want to create. You can also add camera movement in the camera prompt box. This is optional and up to you. Next, you can do some basic settings. Once everything is set, simply click the Generate button and our video will start creating. After a few moments, our video will be ready. With this tool, you can create anything you want. And here it is. Our video is ready. Just look at the result. Wow, everything is so smooth and stunning. The visuals, the camera movements, and the overall flow are perfect and amazing. Our image has been perfectly transformed into a video. So guys, with the help of VheerAI, you can create any type of video for free. You can also generate high-quality images in any style you like. The process is very simple, and the results are truly impressive. Go ahead and try it yourself. Now, let's move on to the third tool. This tool is called Meta AI. To get started, simply go to Google and search for Meta AI, then click on the first link that appears. You will land on the homepage of the tool. From here, sign up using your email or Facebook account. Once your sign up is complete, you will reach the main dashboard of the tool, ready to start creating your videos. Now, let's create our video. Simply click on the plus icon and then select Create. This is where the magic begins. Next, enter your image prompt, choose your aspect ratio, and hit Generate. Within a few seconds, 4 stunning brand new images will be ready. And the best part, there is no watermark at all. If you want, you can download your images. Now, click on any image, and you will see the animate option. If you want to quickly turn your image into a video, simply click Animate, and your image will automatically transform into a stunning video. But if you want to create something more customized, choose the Custom Animate option. Here, you can describe your animation, enter your prompt, and even add music if you like. Then, hit Animate, and our video will start generating. Within a few moments, your video will be ready to watch. Just look at this, so amazing. The video quality is high, smooth animation, and there is no watermark at all. So guys, you've seen it, right? This is how we generated such amazing AI videos using these free AI video generators. These 3 tools are truly powerful and 100% free right now. I highly recommend you try them and create any type of video or image in any style you want. So go ahead and try it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel to support us. And if you want to learn how to create long AI videos up to 30 minutes, then let us know in the comments and we will make another tutorial on this. We will keep bringing such amazing and free AI tools for you. Until then, take care and thanks for watching.